everyone, my name is Alexa Sauer and this is a demonstration on blood spatter. So for my materials, I have white printer paper, a ruler, a pencil. I have these blood capsules that I put into a test tube, and then I have a pipette, and then this glass is just to make sure none of it spills over. So the first step in our demonstration is to do passive blood drops. So we're going to use our pipette, take a little out of it, about that much, and then we're going to rule from different heights. So I'm going to do a bunch of different ones, but I'm going to start at 10 inches and drop it, 9 inches and drop it, 8 inches, 7 inches, 6 inches, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the next step is to mark where all of the blood splatter was. So I did a pattern so I remember it. So I marked mine 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now our next step is to graph them all and do diameter checks. Okay, so the next part of our blood spatter demonstration is to measure the diameter of each of the blood drops. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, so for blood drop number 6, for example, we're using our ruler, and I would say this is about 1/2 inch. So that is how I'm gonna mark it for our data plot. And I'll do the rest with all the others. All right, so I just put in all of my data points here, and this is the corresponding graph. As we can see, there's kind of a line trend. As it increases with height, the width increases. So that's kind of the goal of this lesson, and there's kind of an outline around 8 as well. But with shorter height would be smaller diameter. So that was the goal, but thank you so much for watching. Okay, so this is gonna be part 2 of my demonstration. I have 3 more blood capsules into this glass container, and now I'm going to spread it all over this white piece of paper and see what we can identify from what we know. Shake it up a little bit. Okay, now let's see what we can identify. Okay, so this is what we have. So we can see that this is clearly a big pool. We have some satellite drops to the right and to the left, and we can see a bit of spiking around. Right here is a good example. That's spiking, and if we smeared it. So I just wiped my hand through it to show you what a smear would look like if I just did that. And now I want to see from a splashing angle. So that is what it looks like. Again, we can see these satellite drops, and they're kind of like a long trail bleeding. All right, so the goal of that little demonstration was to see the different types of blood spatter from what we know. So you can already kind of see here the drawing patterns of this type of fake blood I used are kind of forming, as it's pretty clear. But yeah, thank you for watching.